So the question is, the base of a solid is a region in the first quadrant bounded by the x-axis, the y-axis, and the line x plus 2y equals 8, as shown in the figure above. If the cross sections of the solid perpendicular to the x-axis are squares, what is the volume of the solid? So you have to identify the shape that is being revolved because it determines the equation. So it's given the cross section of a solid perpendicular to the x-axis are squares, meaning that you have to solve for this equation that's given here, and you have to solve for y because the square is perpendicular to the x-axis, so everything has to be in terms of x, meaning that the square is 90 degrees to the x-axis. So I will solve for the y. Oops. And once you solve, you have to use the area of the square. So the area of the square is base times height. And since the base and height are equal to this equation, you have to square it in the integral. And you have to take the integral because it gives you the 3D shape of the volume of a solid. So you have to take it from 0 to 8 because the limit exists on the x-axis from 0 to 8. So then you take the equation and square it to dx. And then you plug this equation into the calculator, which gives you 42.667.